Today I'll walk you through how to add a new workflow to a project in Jira, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to create and implement a new workflow so you can streamline your project management process. Let's get started. First, open your Jira dashboard. This is the central hub where you can manage all your projects and tasks. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new to it. Next, look to the upper right side of your screen and click on the settings icon. This is where you can access various configurations for your projects. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The settings are generally in the same area. Once you're in the settings menu, choose Work Items. This option will lead you to the section where you can manage workflows and other related items. This is similar to opening a toolbox. You're getting ready to pick the right tools for your project. Now, in the left sidebar, select Workflows. Here you'll see a list of existing workflows associated with your projects. Think of this as a library of workflows. You can choose to add a new book to it. Click on Add Workflow. This action will allow you to start the process of creating a new workflow from scratch. It's like adding a new recipe to your cookbook. You're about to create something unique. Next, select Create New. This option will take you to a blank canvas where you can design your workflow. Just like an artist with a fresh canvas, you have the freedom to create. Now, give your workflow a clear name. This is important for easy identification later on. Then, add the required statuses and transitions that reflect the stages of your project. Once you're satisfied, save and publish your workflow. This step is akin to finalizing a blueprint before construction. It sets the foundation for your project. After creating your workflow, you'll need to map existing statuses and publish the scheme. This ensures that your new workflow is properly integrated into your project. Think of this as laying down the tracks for a train. Everything needs to be aligned for smooth operation. And there you have it. You've successfully added a new workflow to your Jira project. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to revisit these steps as needed. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.